Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. As you guys know, I founded Lux Academy back in 2018 to share my passion with others for creating, decorating, and all things event planning. Lux Academy has far exceeded my expectations in terms of interest, in terms of what the students have been able to produce once they have completed the academy. I mean, it is just such a blessing to watch others blossom and to walk into their God-given talents. And so I entered a local business pitch competition that is very much like Shark Tank. The only difference is they were not looking for a return on their investment, but rather they were looking to invest in your business fully. So it was more like a grant or a scholarship versus a loan. And I want to share with you guys today exactly what I pitched, and I ended up being a top 6 finalist out of 26 participants, and I will go on to a bigger pitch in February. So you guys, please keep me in your thoughts and your prayers, and I am just going to drop the pitch here.
As a little girl, I absolutely loved competing in beauty pageants. My mother and I would travel from city to city and state to state chasing crowns. The stage was my world, and the stage was where my world came crashing down. After years of dreaming that I'd be Miss America someday, I had to face the harsh reality that it was probably not going to happen, all because of a 6-letter word. Talent. Because I didn't sing, dance, or play a musical instrument, I concluded that I didn't have a talent. So I hung up my stilettos and I exited stage right. Now fast forward to 15 years later, I finally mustered up the courage to grace the stage again, but this time it was on a different platform, YouTube. I started my YouTube channel, Living Luxuriously for Less, to share my passion for decorating and celebrating others. And because I shared that passion, I learned that having a talent encompassed more than a song or a dance, but rather it was a natural skill or aptitude. So I've amassed over 135,000 organic followers. I started an event planning business with absolutely no money, and I launched an event center. I got so many requests on YouTube for more in-depth training that I decided, hey, let me try this webinar thing. So I launched my very first webinar that offered a very comprehensive curriculum that included everything you needed to know about event planning for a fraction of the price and 4 times the value of my competitors. As a result, over 185 students enrolled, and they successfully launched their event planning businesses. There is so much more that I want to do, but after I had the 185 students, I realized that the current digital platform I was using was simply not capable. I would love to have a more robust digital platform, such as Teachable, Kajabi, or Udemy, in order to upload my pre-existing courses so that these students can get more of the learning opportunity, as I have students all over the world. Once I have proven that this prototype is sustainable, I would pass on these learnings through others in the Shoals area so that they can unearth their hidden talent and they can make a great passive income. Through serving and achieving, we can continue to make a difference and cause a shift in the Shoals area and beyond. Thank you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that pitch. I was so proud of myself. It was just such an amazing feeling coming off that stage, and there were some incredible ideas that were presented that night. And speaking of incredible ideas, I love sharing them here on my YouTube channel. So if you are not a member of the Lux for Less family, I would welcome you to be a part of it by hitting the subscribe button, leaving a thumbs up, and commenting down below. Also, if you'd like more information on our virtual Lux Academy or when we'll be having our next hands-on Lux Academy, I will leave that information down below as well. Thank you guys again so much for watching and all of your continuous and unwavering support. God has done and is doing some amazing things since I made the decision to leave my corporate position after 15 years. I will be doing a follow-up video on how my husband and I prep for it and a lot of the other things I know you guys would like to know. So if you have any questions or anything you would like for me to address in that video, please leave it down in the comments. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!